Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch and the buttons orientation on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the Chrome button to open the menu. Then find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on General. And here find the option called Orientation. Once you find it, tap on it. And as you can see here, we can change the wrist, preferred wrist, and on which side the digital crown should be. If you select, for example, right wrist and then select the left side for the digital crown, the screen of the watch will rotate it basically, so you can wear it on your right hand and to have the digital crown on the left side. If you want to have the digital crown on the right side, you can select it and the screen will flip again. And you can do the same for the left hand. You can change the right and left. And once you're done, you can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the watch and button orientation on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.